टाइम मैनेजर है, नोट द टाइम। हाँ
मैम वहाँ पे स्टॉप बात चलेगा वो?
आप मैं टाइम
मैं कर देता हूँ।
Welcome to workshop here. Myself Amarjit Singh. I am going to explain something about welding. I think you might have the basic knowledge about these processes also. So still I would try to explain something extra other than your already knowledge. So welding, if you have to define welding, welding is a process of joining two or more singular or dissimilar metals permanently with the application of heat, with or without the application of pressure and filler material. As we know, in manufacturing, as far as engineering products are concerned, they are not manufactured in single piece. We cannot manufacture. You might have seen all these gadgets or equipment, machinery, vehicles. They are made from different types of components. They are assembled together. Some are assembled permanently, some are temporarily. Where we are using temporary fasteners, nut and bolt is there. Some fitting mechanisms are there by controlling the size, by tolerances, etc. That they are called temporary fitting. Welding is called a permanent fitting. Permanent fitting means we cannot dismantle the joint. Once we have joined the things together, it is not very easy to dismantle the thing. It can be done, but something will be wasted. Either we have to damage one of the other components. So this is the definition. So this is very important part of the fabrication industry. Fabrication industry में क्या कहते हैं? जैसे आप shipbuilding industry, very big industry where welding is almost used. There are number of types of welding, but basic types of welding are main two types of welding are there. One is pressure welding and fusion welding. Pressure welding means we are not going to melt the metals together for joining. Only we heat the metal and raise the temperature up to the plastic phase and we apply mechanical pressure to superimpose the surfaces together to have the joint. Whereas in fusion welding we melt the metal and we melt that area where we want the joint, then we allow the metals to make an aqueous solution provided the metals are of same nature, and then we allow them to solidify after cooling to have the permanent joint. So these are the two categories. One is fusion welding, another is pressure welding. Here we are going to demonstrate you a type of fusion welding which is called as arc welding. Arc is a you can say it is a column of plasma. Plasma means it is the superheated air or any gas provided in the welding that is able to carry current even in the gas. Generally क्या होता है कि गैस के बीच में करंट फ्लो नहीं करता है. करंट उस एरिया में अगर आप उस गैस को या एयर को इतना ज़्यादा हीट अप कर देंगे वो प्लाज्मा का रूप ले ले तो उसको हम करंट फ्लो कर सकते हैं. तो दैट प्लाज्मा इज यूज्ड in each and every welding which is done by electric current, right? So this is electric arc welding. Simply we will use the first equipment required, that is step-down transformer. Step-down transformer means in welding the heat produced, that is I square R into T. I is the current, R is the resistance of the circuit of the weld metal, then T is the time for which we are passing the current. So here current is very important. If you increase the current, automatically huge heat will be produced. So here we are using a step down transformer. Electric वाला जो हुआ है जहाँ पे step down transformer आ जाता है, means voltage is decreased and current is increased. So this current is utilized here in arc welding machine. So now we'll demonstrate on this welding machine. So this is workpiece. I think this is 6 mm thickness and 75 mm length and 55 mm width. Any type of joint can be made. Now I will show you that how a lap joint can be made. There are different types of joints in welding. This is lap joint. If we orient these workpieces together, this will be called T-lap joint. This will be corner joint. So similarly, we are having a number of joints in welding. So today, we will show you a simple lap joint will be welded on the two sides of the two workpieces. So this is electrode. This is very important. Electrode आप लोग सभी जो समझते हैं, the wire or the part which carries some current, this is called electrode. But more than that, this is having a core wire which is applied here. This will supply the filler material to the parent metal. Where we now here we are having a corner. This is called fillet. Right? This fillet will be filled from this metal. This can or cannot be used as we have seen in definition. So this is covered with the coating. This is called coated electrode. This coating is called flux. This flux contains number of constituents. They are having different properties or different applications or different reasons. Very first reason is that when we weld the components together at elevated temperature, there are chances of oxidation because metals are very prone for oxidation at high temperature. So this will burn first and then will generate a gas. It is an inert gas which will cover that area around where